That's a very good question again, DTM. Back in Saudi Arabia in 2004 or earlier, we have been contemplating of training our members in public speaking. And one of my colleagues, DTN Ramsam Perotti, he created some seminar on how to speak, on how to deliver. And then we encounter a club in Saudi Arabia that creates our club. They sponsor, it is among the Saudi Aramco Toastmasters Club. They are Saudis and they help us. And then we created a club and then we propagated so many clubs of our clubs, a Filipino club. So that's why the name of our club is PSME SA and Friends Toastmasters Club.